I've finished a course called AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng, and here's how it went. There were 4 modules. Week 1 not only explains what AI is, but also clarifies what it's not. The latter is equally important. It helps shape people's accurate understanding of AI's capabilities. So if you want to know what AI can and cannot do, some of these videos help with just that. One of the angles it explains things is for business leaders. It helps them understand how they can leverage or transition to AI. So if you're running a business, you may find this helpful. There were more multi-option questions, which is better for assessing understanding of a concept. The overall quality of the test questions so far is really better than the IBM one. I could feel they really designed these questions to help you reinforce your memory and comprehension. A controversial one is whether deep learning and neural networks are used interchangeably. It seems in reality they often are, but they do have technical nuances in architecture and usage. What I found from other sources basically says deep learning is a subset of neural networks. There are simple neural networks projects too, which organizations can internally develop. Deep learning refers specifically to neural networks with many hidden layers. Lastly, from a course developer's perspective, Andrew Ng is a good instructor. He uses retrieval prompts several times. This helps learners reactive certain memories and reinforce learning. Week 2 starts by explaining the key steps of AI projects. This is helpful stuff. My take is that machine learning projects are mostly for product development or real-life problem solving, while data science projects provide actionable insights, which are beneficial for decision making. However, the data science video also tells me that to make good decisions, you still need real-world knowledge, such as deep understanding about people and culture. So yes, in such cases, AI is there to augment people. Of the job functions AI helps change, I found the precision agriculture example remarkable, where machine learning helps apply weed killer precisely to improve cotton field yields. Another video shared a framework for brainstorming AI projects for a business, including some questions to ask. I feel like this could be a good reminder for some business owners to get their thoughts organized. In some marketing and advertising jobs, some clients of mine just don't have a clear vision of their value proposition, for example. I mean, even having a rough one is better than nothing. I wrote an article about a similar issue and a creative approach. You can go read that one if you need to audit some of your marketing statements. Another thing that's inspiring is that even with a small amount of data, you can start an AI project as well, something encouraging for those who have that ambition. Week 3 tackled self-driving cars with a detailed chart describing how they work. It looks like a lot of work. By the way, I tried Waymo driverless cabs earlier this year, and I took videos. Stay tuned. In week 3, Andrew Ng also taught 5 steps for businesses to do AI transformation. It's pretty good guidance, I can say. It puts develop an AI strategy at step 4 rather than step 1, as confident CEOs would usually want. The instructor shared why. In his findings, companies that put strategy as step 1 may come up with an academic strategy, which is not realistic. Instead, he recommends companies prioritize training and pilot projects. This is a great suggestion. I've seen a lot of overconfident CXOs fail at things they have unrealistic visions for. An AI strategy without a deep understanding of its capabilities and limits might just be a total waste of resources. In general, these 5 steps are pretty solid and actionable, and they offer a free download of this AI transformation playbook. I feel like this course is made for those who are serious about getting into the AI game, be it an ambitious entrepreneur or a business leader. It probably could be titled AI for Everyone Who's Serious. So if you have the ambition to build something with AI, this is a good course to take. One more valuable thing introduced in week 3 is the pitfalls. There are do's and don'ts given, which I'm sure will benefit everyone. Week 4 starts with AI ethics, and it also introduces how AI could be fooled. A funny thing is that this course also mentioned the discriminative hiring tool, which was developed 10 years ago. In general, it's a solid, genuine course, and I wish I'd learned it long ago. Although I've read a lot about AI over the last 9 years, I can't stop blaming myself for not having picked up learning Python after I finished the big course development project and pressed reset on my life. Yet, the best time to plant a tree is 10 years ago, and the second best is now, as a motivator for both you and me. If you find this helpful, please subscribe. Thank you.